Love to help you save money, and we're doing it again this month with another Morning Blend deal of the day.
This one comes from Standard Heating and Air Conditioning. Now through February 29th, buy a Carrier air conditioner and get a free furnace when you buy qualifying equipment. Your AC and furnace aren't getting any younger, and this sale couldn't get any bigger.
Now, it's a big one, this limited time offer, so don't wait. Again, a free furnace when you buy qualifying equipment. To claim this offer, call 402-339-6700. Again, that's 402-339-6700.
And for more information, go to OmahaMorningBlend.com. Look for the deal of the day on our homepage.
All right, your